Hey guys, so while I was doing my online school, I had a little break, so I went and got the mail, and this package came. I didn't know what it was at first, but then I opened it and remembered. So about a month ago, this person right here sent me a diamond painting and I totally forgot about it. And I'm so excited because she never told me what diamond painting it was, so it's a mystery to me. I'm on my lunch break right now, so that's why I'm able to open this, but let's just open it because I really want to see what it is. I already saw like this tube, but it doesn't say what diamond painting it is on the thing yet, so let's just see. So here's the brand. I've never gotten diamond paintings from this brand before, so I am super excited. It does have instructions and everything, but I see that it opens here. Let's get my knife. Alright, I just pulled the top off. I have not looked at it yet. I'm so excited. I have no idea what it's gonna be like. Oh my gosh, I can already see that this is a super high quality diamond painting. Oh my gosh. This is just 10% off my next purchase. Let's open this. I'm literally so excited. Thank you so much for sending this to me, by the way. I'm literally so happy. Okay, so first I have the toolkit. A purple grip, that's my favorite color. Oh my gosh, okay, so it comes with 2 wax pieces, a tray, tweezers, which are super nice. Oh my gosh. This, and another 4-placer, which I need another one because mine's starting to wear out. Oh my gosh, I am so happy right now. This grip I'm going to keep here because I'll probably use it. Another 4-placer, I'm just going to put it there. I guess we can have 3 pairs of tweezers because that's nice. We'll just add this to my little collection here. Okay, let's get the diamond painting out. Already, I can feel that the canvas is super high quality because it's super soft, and I know that that's high quality canvas. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it is so pretty. I'm obsessed, and it's so big. Oh my gosh. Look at all the diamonds. So it's another 40 by 50, which is what I'm about to start working on today. And it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love flowers. There's 50 colors, y'all. Oh my gosh, I've never had a diamond painting with this many colors. Actually, I have but I haven't done it yet. Oh, I've never seen sheets like this. This is so fun. Oh my gosh, So here's the painting again. And here's all the colors. And then there's a second page of them. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, look at these colors. I am obsessed. And it is square drill, which I love. Oh my gosh. And they're in order. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for sending me this. I'm literally so excited to start working on this one. I can't even. Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you so much. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. Okay. There's their other pages. Bye. Thank you so much.